Manufacturing PCBs and dealing with the GBT file containing solder paste data. These are essential for surface mount component assembly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Gerber top paste layer files. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest, have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens GBT files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. A GBT file is a standard Gerber format file used in printed circuit board PCB fabrication. It specifically defines the top paste layer, which dictates where solder paste should be applied to the top of the board for surface mount components. It is a critical file for PCB assembly. The Gerber format, RS274X, is a 2D vector image format stored in ASCII text. Each GBT file contains a series of commands and coordinates that instruct a photoplotter or printer on how to create the solder paste stencil. This text-based, command-driven design ensures universal compatibility across different manufacturing equipment. If GBT has multiple compatible apps begin with Altium Designer or KiCad, this file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your GBT file and select Open With. If Altium Designer/KiCad is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed reader. If the GBT file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Because your GBT file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, opening in Gerber Viewer. Use a Gerber Viewer application like GerbView KiCad Gerber Viewer or Altium Gerber Viewer to open GBT files. Load the file and view the rendered solder paste layer, showing pad locations, sizes, and shapes. Combine with other Gerber files copper drill silkscreen for complete PCB visualization, showing how all manufacturing layers align. Next, loading in PCB software. Import GBT files into PCB CAD software, like Altium Designer, KiCad Eagle, or OrCAD for verification or modification. The software reconstructs the design layer, enabling editing or comparison with source designs. This workflow is useful for design verification before manufacturing or reverse engineering existing boards from manufacturing files. Finally, sending to manufacturing. Combine GBT files with other Gerber files, copper layers, solder mask silkscreen, and drill files into a complete fabrication package. Compress all files into a zip archive following the manufacturer's naming conventions. Send to PCB fabrication services like JLC PCB, OSH Park, or PCBOA for production specifying assembly options requiring solder paste stencils based on the GBT data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.